Hey everybody, it's Matt and welcome to Let Me Share a Thought with you. Good Monday morning to you. Today is May the 2nd, 2016. Got a lot to cover today, so I'm going to move kind of quick. First order of business, I am going to be going out of town at the end of the week, so I'm only going to be doing videos Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday this week, which is part of the reason I did the daily and weeklies on one video this morning. I did I'm going to accomplish three things today. I'm going to give you the daily numbers for today. I'm going to do the weekly numbers, and I'm also just doing a little experiment on the day over day draws. Instead of doing like last night to today, I'm doing like yesterday daytime to today daytime, which is also the weekly chart. Just works out that way on Monday. So I'm killing three birds with two stones this morning. So I'll try to explain this on California. So after California, if you want to skip through to your state and watch just your part, that's fine. It's probably going to be a little bit of a long video, so I'll try to go as quickly as I can. So on the day-to-day, I just looked at the daytime drawing in California for the daytime drawing Sunday for Monday, okay? And this is also the weekly, so day to day is going to be the weekly chart. All right, so the daytime drawing in California yesterday was 565. Today's date 5/2. We're looking at sevens. These are the weekly numbers, weekly chart. On the other side, on the right hand side, the draw to draw is last night's last drawing for today. So this is the daily numbers. These are the weekly numbers. It'll be the same on every chart that has this, and I'll explain as I go along. There's a couple states that only do one draw per day, and one or two states that have some Sunday, where they don't draw on Sundays or don't draw both draws on Sundays. So anyway, all that being said, California with the sevens, 565. I like 721. These are weeklies. 721, 101, flipping a 6. 796, 274, 321. On the pick fours, I like 2306, 6447, 8419, which is actually right here, 8419, and 8268 right here, and 3144 down here at the bottom. On the dailies for today, I used last night's number. In California, last night's draw was 614. Got the sevens pretty close together at the bottom here. I like 173, 530, which is a flip on a 0, 730 down here, 753, flipping a 0 again, 793, and 152. On the pick fours, I like 8477. which is right here, 6697 up here, 2695, 8597, which is right here, and then 3791 right here. All right, good luck, California. Connecticut. The daytime drawing yesterday was 494. These are the weekly numbers. You can also use these for dailies today if you want to, but these are intended to be weekly numbers so that, toward the end of the week, if you don't want to do your own chart, you can look back at this video and you can use these numbers for the weekend as well. I feel pretty good. I went ahead and I picked some extra numbers in case you didn't notice. I normally do, 5 and 3, and, I did 6 or 7, 5 or 6 on most all the charts. So 494 fell in Connecticut yesterday. Looking at the sevens, I like 540, which is actually a flip. Right, well, flip one of the zeros to a 5, you got 540. Excuse me, 315, 545, right here, 263 here, 136 up here at the top, 256 right here. Now on the pick fours, I like 8215, 6037, which is connecting all three sevens, 8707, 98-17, and 53-26. All right, on the daily chart for today, last night's number was 235. Got the 3 sevens pretty close together. 658, 123, which is actually a flip of the 7, 123, 503, flipping a 0, 314, and 187. Pick fours are like 4368, which is right here around the 7, 8709, 0977, 9019, which is right here, and 4894. Okay, good luck. Connecticut. Florida, the daily number in Florida was 118. So you got the 3 sevens again. This is weekly numbers. 770, flipping a 2. You got 7, or I'm sorry, you don't have to flip. 770, excuse me. 432, 660, 976, 280, 896, which is right here, 896, and 345. 345, I'll put a little X beside because it was on both charts, so that might be a pretty good number to play this week. 6709, 2985, 1147, and 4350. All right, also 2798 on the weeklies here. And then on the daily charts, last night's number was 518. We got the 3 sevens pretty close together here in the middle. Like 363, which is right here. 543, 567, 673, 437, which is right here, and 439. On the pick fours, I like 9918 down here at the bottom, 4706, 6737, and 6774. So good luck, Florida. Now I got a couple emails last week, or comments on the videos rather, where people had said they won using the chart. So for everybody who hit last weekend, others won in Florida over the weekend. So congratulations to you guys. I know these charts work, and sometimes it's hard just to pick the right number off of them, but after a while learning your state's patterns and things, it does get to where you do win. So keep trying. And you don't have to use my numbers either. That's the other thing. Look at the chart. You can pick your own numbers off the chart. You're more than welcome to using the numbers that I pick, but no guarantees on them. A lot of times it's better to pick your own numbers. So with all that, let's move on to Georgia. Daytime drawing in Georgia was 598. So I like 413, which is right here. 417. Which is here and here. 513, flipping a 6. 418 up here. 321 and 721. I'll pick fours. I like 6648, 3364, 4623, and 1884 down here at the bottom, and 6407. On the daily charts, Georgia had triples last night. 444 fell. We got 3 sevens. Now when triples fall, a lot of times these charts get a little crazy, so it may or may not be on the chart today. It's been hit and miss, so I did pick a couple flips to kind of help that. I like 513, which is actually a straight right here, but you have to flip a 0 to get it connected to a 7. 268 right here. 318 right here. 513, which is the same number as this. Picked that one, must be a good number. I picked it twice. 206, flipping a 1 or flipping a 7, and then 731 right here on the pick fours. I like 5816, 3704 down here at the bottom, 6997, and 8217, and last 8231. All right, good luck, Georgia. Illinois, yesterday daytime drawing was 802. Looking at the sevens. And the reason I'm using yesterday's daytime draw and today's date is because I'm using the date for the weekly numbers, just in case anybody caught that along the way. That has worked, you know, when I've looked at the weekly numbers. So these are good picks to use throughout the whole week. You know, you could do your own charts daily, and when you see some of these numbers pop up, you know, play them along the week. Or if you want to just play them all week, you know, that may be helpful as well. 421, 821, 531, which is, it's actually a flip on that one. I didn't write flip, but 531 flipping a 6, 963, 535, which would also be flipping an 8, 535, 353, flipping a 0 on either side. You got 353, 261. Up here at the top, 261. On the pick fours, I like 4075, 2859, right here, 5474, which is right here, 6791, and 1986, which is all around this 7 here. All right, on the daily chart, last night's number was 563. I like 198, I like 114, 521, 148, 149, 113, and then on the pick fours I like 8068 right here, 1984, 9182, 2817, which is right here, and 5704, flipping a 0 right in here. All right, good luck. Illinois. Indiana. Daytime number yesterday was 983. For the weeklies, I like 956. Right here, 156, which is actually a flip on a 6, 156. 543, 217, 141, 542, right down here. Now the pick fours, I like 3815, 5962, 9763, 4740, and 4280. Daily numbers, last night's number was 706. I like 346, 251, which is right here in the middle is a straight, but flip a 2 or 7 to a 2, you get 251. 256, 182, 524, and 165. 165 right here. Oops, that's not right. 165. All right, and then pick fours are like 45.97, 17.52, 89.29, 86.58, and 26.33 right here. All right, good luck. Indiana. Kansas. Daytime drawing yesterday in Kansas was 809. For the weeklies, I like 445, I like 354, 721, 263, 347, and 413, which is up here. All right, on the daily chart for today, last night's number was 897. We got the sevens pretty well spread out. I like 121, 532, 213, 534, 265, 117, and 281. So good luck, Kansas. Kentucky. Yesterday's daytime number was 130. Sevens are pretty close together at the top here. I like 641, 654, 760, 096 right here, 968, 054, and 743. On the pick fours, I like 8368, 6184, 5209, 3607, 3605, and 5164. These are all weeklies. Daily numbers, last night's number fell 3, 4, 5. Got the sevens kind of close together in the middle. I like 141, 792, 112, 613, flipping a 1, 278. And then on the pick fours, I like 4211, 9367, 2418, 9657 right here, and then 6236. All right, good luck, Kentucky. Louisiana. Louisiana only does one draw per day, so the day over day thing doesn't really work for Louisiana, but the day and weekly chart on Monday for Louisiana will be the same, so you can use these numbers for today and throughout the entire week. So last night's number, or yesterday's one draw number, was 712. Got 4 sevens on the chart. I like 653, which is right here. 735, which is here. 893, flipping an 8 in here, you got 893. 253, 181, and 293, which is up here at the top, 293. All right, on the pick fours, I like 5641, 5647, 8902, and 9147. That one actually goes out both sides on the bottom here. All right, oh, sorry, I missed 2. 9652 right here, and 5468. So good luck, Louisiana. These are day and weekly numbers, just to reiterate. You can use those today and for the rest of the week. All right, Michigan. Daytime drawing in Michigan yesterday was 543. Sevens in a diagonal here. I like 187. I like 987. 972, which 972 would actually be a flip on one of these sevens. 148, 983, and 277. Again, flipping in one of these twos, you got 277, and also 167 and 587 right here. All right, and this may very well be also, just keep in mind the 456 or the 890. A lot of times when it's diagonal like that, the numbers that run up and down, you know, hit too. So 456, 98 or 890 is not a bad play. On the pick fours, I like 8416 right here and around that side. 9213 right here. 1988, 1764. And 8908. For the dailies, last night's number was 562. Again, we got the sevens close together at the top. I like 187, 274, 323, 321, 141, and 147. On the pick fours for today, I like 8683, 1427, which is also here, and then 0073 and 2633. Also 8369, which is up here, 8369. All right, good luck, Michigan. Missouri. Daytime number in Missouri yesterday was 484. On this chart, this is the weekly chart again, I like 154. Flipping a 6, you got 154, or yeah, it's closer to 150 right here, 130, 256, 517, again flipping a 6, 420, which is also flipping a 7, 420. And on the pick fours, I like 2585, 3506, 8677, 9184, 5865, and then 8447. All right, on the daily numbers for today, last night's number was 549. You got real tight sevens here. I like 165, 084, 308, 927, which is actually flipping a 7, 927, 904. And on the pick fours, I like 4068, which is right here. 9315 here. 8503. 9300. 4119. And 4115. All right, good luck, Missouri. North Carolina, where I live. Yesterday daytime drawing was 639. Like for the weeklies, I like 263, 818, 318, which 318 is right here. 163, which 163 is right here, and 176, 176, and 663. On the pick fours, I like 3650, 1987, 9487, 2653, which is up here, and 2655. Daily numbers, last night's number fell 411, 3 sevens. For today, I like 263, 264, 263, and you got 264, which is actually going to be a flip. Yeah, flipping a 9, 264, 532, which is up here, 432, 280, and 620, which is also going to be a flip on a 5 on either end, 620. On the pick fours, I like 8097, 9652, which is up here, 9653, which is also up here, and 2763, and 8411, which is right here. Well, actually that's not right. 8411 is up here, connected to this 7. All right, good luck, North Carolina. New Jersey. Last night or yesterday daytime drawing in New Jersey was 513. For the weeklies, I like 443, 472, 442, flipping a 7, 441, 548, 682, which is right here in a straight line. All right, pick fours. I like 1607, 6697, which is here, 8259, 5816, and 8253, which is right here, also up here at the top. All right, for the daily numbers, last night's number was 895. On this daily chart for today, I like 261, 623, 173, which is here, 354, 176, right here. This is 418. I did mess up my math once again. I did it on somebody's chart, so New Jersey, it was yours today. So 176, 340, and then on the pick fours for today, I like 3347, 6230, 8621, which is right here, 5897, and 7818. So good luck, New Jersey. Hopefully we can get some wins out of the north this week. New York. Daytime number in New York yesterday was 918. For the weekly numbers, I like 639, 263, flipping a 7, 987, 453, 901, and 462, again flipping a 7. On the pick fours, I like 7073, 5416, 2593, 8407, and 6456. For the dailies, last night's number was 355. So for today, I like 825, 308, 120, 410, and then 223, flipping a 7, 220, flipping a 7. On the pick fours, I like 4118, I like 1107, 3814, 4314, and 3740. So good luck, New York. Ohio. Daytime drawing yesterday in Ohio was 668, Using the sevens for the weekly numbers, I like 332, which is here, 282 here, 420, 154, 410, 434, 354, and on the pick fours for the weeklies, I like 3740, 2963, 3120, 4301, which is all over this bottom section, and 5368, which is up, where's that one at, 5368. I must have flipped a number on that one anyway, but 5368, I did right flip, so you flip a 5, you got 5368. Last night in Ohio was another state triples fell, so these weekend triples are, they're right. The triples do generally fall on the weekends, and here lately it's been Sunday nights. I think we've had like 5 Sunday night triples in the last 3 or 4 weeks. So anyway, 888 fell in Ohio last night. Today's numbers, I like 326, 910, 450, 264 right here, and 710. On the pick fours for today, I like 5674, 1762, 9216, 5697, and 3307. All right, good luck, Ohio. Oklahoma only does 1 draw per day, so this is the daily and weeklies. So you can use this chart for today and for the week as well. And Oklahoma does not do pick fours either, so this one's pretty easy. We've got 4 sevens on the chart, mostly at the top. I like 733, flipping an 8. I like 165 down here at the bottom, 187 up here at the top, 436, which is down here at the bottom, 751, which is right here, 183, which is up at the top, 153, and 630, which is on both ends. All right, good luck, Oklahoma. Hopefully we can have some winners out there. This is the newest addition to the states I do, so good luck to you. Pennsylvania daytime number yesterday was 534, which is another common number that came out this week. A lot of 234s, 534s, a lot of numbers in order, so looking for some more of those this week too, I think. But anyway, the weekly charts are like 879, 192, 863, 917, 892, and 521. On the pick fours are like 8647, 2909, 2759, 4757, and 9698, and last 8963. On the daily charts, last night's number in Pennsylvania was 716. For today, I like 651, 435, which I know is the same number as yesterday daytime, but I've seen that repeat itself. I don't know how many times, but anyway, 435, 856, 185, 529, and 336 on the pick threes. On the pick fours, I like 8819, 9457, 6885, which is all in here, 5788, 9527, and that's it. All right, good luck, Pennsylvania. Quebec is also a state that does 1 draw per day, so these are going to be your daily and weekly numbers for today and for this week. I did mostly flips on this chart. This chart was just kind of had a weird vibe to it, so I did do quite a bit of flips. 246, flipping a 7. 242, actually flipping 2 of the 7s. 242. 172, same deal, flipping a 2 or flipping a 7. 157, 613, flipping an 8. 152, flipping a 7, and 564. On the pick fours, I like 8309, 85, 89, 54, 77, 5704, and 5249, which is right here. All right, good luck, Quebec. South Carolina. South Carolina does not have a Sunday daytime drawing, so I used Saturday evening's number for the Sunday evening or for the weekly chart. So anyway, the Saturday night drawing, last drawing Saturday night was 814. On the weekly chart, I like 934, flipping a 9, 531, 263, 434, 734, 265. On the pick fours, I like 6686 right here, 9763, 5283, 8260, 9259, and 5962. All right, dailies. Last night's number in South Carolina was 820. The sevens kind of close together up at the top here. For the daily numbers today, I like 442. We do have a triple right here in the middle, the 444. We may have the triples today. I don't know. I'm not picking or playing triples, but it's a possibility. I've seen the 4s and 9s come out like that and hit triples that day. So 442, flipping a 7, 601, 735, 510 right here, 845, 536, and 513, flipping a 6 here, or flipping an 8. On the pick fours, I like 6893, 8905, 5480, 5816, and 3857. All right, good luck, South Carolina. Texas was pretty challenging because they don't do any Sunday draws. So what I did is I used the Saturday daytime drawing and I used the Saturday nighttime drawing. For the weeklies, I used the daily, and for the daily for today, I used the evening. So hopefully that's not too confusing, but just understand these are the weekly numbers, these are the daily numbers for today. So for the weekly numbers, the daytime drawing on Saturday was 164. I like 543, 743, 703, 503, 550, and 545. Now, since Texas does all these doubles, I did a double set right here for the week. I like 88898, 787, 454, 033, and 552. On the pick fours, I like 8477, 0302, 4226, 4724, and 4168. For the dailies, the last evening draw, which was Saturday evening, was 935. Got a nice little triangle here in the middle. I like 960, which is actually a flip on a 1. 365 right here. 684, flipping a 1 here or here. 984 right here in the middle. 357, flipping a 0. 182, flipping a 7 as well. 182, and then on the pick fours, I like 1368, 7907, 8419, 3807, and 1214. All right, good luck, Texas. Finally, Virginia. Virginia's Sunday daytime drawing was 922. And I'm experimenting. This is one of the states that intrigued me about doing the day-to-day, day-over-day drawing, because I normally do like the evening draw for the next day. But you know, I've got a couple comments, saying try the day-to-day. So these numbers right here, you can play for today as well as the weeklies. I went ahead and did my normal draw-to-draw chart as well, but I'm curious to see which one of these charts comes out better for today. I'll let you know tomorrow. And same with everybody else. I'm going to be looking at that as well. just to make sure that we're getting the right draws like I talked about last week. You know, I want to make sure I'm putting out good information so everybody can win some money. All right, anyway, daytime 922, got the sevens real close together here. Like 707, like 974, 184, 634, 274, which is actually a flip on one of the sevens. 841, which is the same number. I didn't realize I did that. So that must be a good one. 841. 8460 right here. 9814. I'm sorry, 9819. What is that one at? 9819. Okay, right here. 9819. Sorry. 5165. Right here. 8477, 8470, and finally 5676 right here. All right, for the daily chart, 143 fell last night. Like 547, 578, flipping a 0. 384 right here. 337, flipping an 8. 638. 768, and then on the pick fours I like 8704, 0468, 7148, 4563, and 0737. So good luck, Virginia. Hope everybody has a great day and wins some money. Sure to leave me a comment, let me know when you do. If you have any questions, leave me a comment. I'll get back to you as quick as I can. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow.